In today's video, I'll be showing you on how to change your YouTube channel name. So let's jump right in. Go ahead and open YouTube with either a mobile device or on a desktop. Trust me, this will work for both. To do this on your mobile device, just press your profile icon, then hit View Channel. Now on this far right hand side where you see the pencil icon, go ahead and click that. And this is really all of your basic info. So your channel name will be the first one that pops up. Go ahead and click the pencil icon and then edit your name. And that's how you change your YouTube channel name. Okay, but here's also a couple of things you need to keep in mind. You can change your YouTube channel name at any time. It's not like you have to write an email to Google and then wait to hope and see if it gets approved. Two key things to remember is that you can only change your YouTube channel name 3 times in 90 days. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. You heard?